Well, hello, PreAlgebra. Welcome to another week. So, as you know, or if you don't know, you're about to find out, this Wednesday is technically a day off of school. So we'll have no school this Wednesday. So what that means then is instead, you and I will be meeting this Friday. I scheduled it for the same time, so it'll go for the same duration from 9:50 to 10:35. But we'll be meeting on Friday instead. So no synchronous meetings on Monday and Wednesday. Now, to help account for that and to help you guys out for this week's practice is all about the review of everything we've done in this course so far. Now, when you click on the course review and you go to take this quiz, take this practice, you can do it any number of times, of course, but all of the questions that are in there have been linked from the previous modules. And so if you want to be able to figure out how to do this question and receive some help, you're able to click on the module that it's from, and it'll link you there so you can watch the videos, do the practice, and understand the material a little bit better. And so week 5, you click it, it'll take you to week 5 in the modules, and you'll be able to get the help that you need. So this is all about that live session that's about to happen. This is absolutely not counting any time that you just want to meet with me individually. Just shoot me an email. We'll organize a one-on-one meeting, or I'll answer your questions via email, and I'll be glad to help you out anytime you need it. Hey, thank you. Good luck this week, and I look forward to seeing you guys later. Take care.